In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect card payments and tap to pay. By the end, you'll know how to set up your payment processing in Jobber and smoothly take a card payment, including tap to pay when available. Start by opening Jobber and heading to your dashboard. From there, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. That's your gateway to account controls. Click it to open settings, then select Jobber Payments. This is where you'll enable secure card processing and payouts to your bank. If you haven't completed verification yet, you'll see a prompt to finish verification, or a Get Started button if it's your first time. Go ahead and begin that flow. You'll be asked to confirm your business details and enter banking information so Jobber knows where to deposit your funds. Make sure the legal business name and address match your official records, and double-check your routing and account numbers before submitting. You may be asked for additional identity documentation, which is normal for payment compliance. Once you confirm everything, your account will be set to accept card payments and to receive deposits. With setup complete, return to your dashboard and open the Invoices tab. Find the invoice for the client you're collecting from and open it to review the balance and line items. When you're ready, click Collect Payment. Here you can process a card right away. If your device and region support tap to pay, follow the on-screen prompts to take a contactless payment directly on your device. Have the customer tap their card or mobile wallet near the reader area and hold steady until you see confirmation. You can also enter card details manually if that's more convenient. Either way, Jobber will process the transaction securely and record it on the invoice. After the payment is approved, select Save and Email Receipt to keep your records up to date and send confirmation to your customer. Take a moment to confirm the recipient details, then click Send Email. Your client will receive a professional receipt and you'll see the payment applied to the invoice in Jobber. If a payment doesn't go through, verify the card details. Try again with a stronger internet connection, or choose a different payment method as needed. That's it. You've enabled Jobber payments, verified your account, collected a card payment, and sent a receipt, with tap to pay available when your device supports it. Keep an eye on your payouts in Jobber, and reconcile them with your bank for smooth bookkeeping. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.